Welcome back, my friends. I'm Pradeep Agarwal again here, and I'm sure you're already enjoying this workshop and you've already started doing those exercises, already started having fun. Now, today we are going to talk about something very, very important, and most of the time, many people neglect it. That is using the other person's name. Now, before we go into it, I want to tell you what happened with me. My friend, many years back, I was traveling from UK, London to India back, and the flight was in the evening and we have to check out from the hotel early, so I reached at the airport early. Now I have a habit of talking to the people with their name if I came to their name. So how I'll come to their name? I used to check the name on their, the uniform, it is there, their name. When I reached there, the counter was not yet open to take the um, booking. I take the check-in. So there was a lady there. I went there. I looked into her eyes and smiled, and then I read his name. The name was a little difficult, but I pronounced it correctly, her name, 2-3 times, and smiled. And she also smiled back. We create an instant connection because the name is very, very important. So then she said, the check-in is not yet started. I can't take you right now. Then again I smiled, say I came early. If you check me now, I can go inside in the duty-free shops and do some shopping and eat something. Okay, she said, I will do something. Then she did one thing, plus she gave me the best seat, the front row window. I normally like windows. She gave me there, and because of this, only because I used her name number of times, I said thank you with her name number of times, and she felt really good. Then a thought came into my mind, why the name is so important. And then in the flight, because I had a front seat, the attendant every time they came to me and they used my name, Mr. Agarwal, what you like to have now? Because international flight, you know what they give. I don't need to tell you what they start. So every time they were using my name, I was feeling very good. How this person knows my name? And the same thing happened with me one more time when I was traveling in India a long time back in the Sahara Airlines, and that is closed now. The Sahara become a jet, and now you know about it. So I had some coupons because of regularly traveling in Sahara. So I got a business class ticket. At that time they had a business class. And when I was sitting in the business class, the air hostess and everybody comes and talk to me with my name. Hi, Mr. Agarwal, what you like to have? Will you like to do something? I asked them, how you know my name? He said, this is our secret, we can't tell you. Now I realize that whenever, because there's a small number of seats there, only few people there, in their card they have the name. So they have been trained to use the name number of times. And I was feeling fantastic. So my friend, whenever somebody call your name and with your name they talk to you and repeat your name, you feel so good. Now, name is very, very important. Now, how we can use it to develop a rapport? Let me tell you now. Remember, name is very, very important. The way you pronounce the name correctly, that is important. If you pronounce the name incorrectly also, people don't like it. They like to hear the name, what their name is. So, the first and important thing is, when you talk to the people, when you introduce yourself, say, I tell you, I am Pradeep Agarwal, what's your name? Now, for example, your name is Ajmat. You say, my name is Ajmat. Oh, your name is Ajmat. I ask like this. Now, if I am not pronounced correctly, Ajmat will say, my name is Azmat. Okay, again, okay, your name is Azmat. So I'll pronounce his name in his tonality in a correct way. Then what happened? The person feels good about it. And now, remember one thing. Whenever you are talking to somebody, once you have their name correctly, repeat it at least 3 times. Now, most of the time people have a problem remembering the name. Why they have a problem? Because they have programmed their mind to forget the name. What do you mean by that? They always say, I cannot remember name. Everybody you talk, they will say, I have a problem remembering name. Everybody has a problem remembering name. So first and important thing is change in your mind. Repeat it. I always remember name vividly. I remember the name of anybody. Now, how do we remember the name? First of all, when you talk to the person, when you tell you the name, repeat the name as many times as possible. Number one. The more you remember repeat the name, you will remember the name. It goes to your memory. Number one. Number two, repeat in the same tonality the way they used to tell you the name. Yes, this is again developing a rapport. If they say my name is Azmat. So I will not say your name is Ajamat. I will not say that. I will say, oh, your name is Azmat. Same speed, same tonality, same pitch. Very, very important. Repeat and say it back to them. Now, this is something very, very important. Remembering the name, using their name in the same tonality. Now, some people, different countries, when you travel, sometimes the name pronouncement is difficult because their names are different. So, the different language, different accent. So, listen to it, ask them, don't feel shy. I can't hear it, I can't understand it properly. Can you let me know, repeat your name again? Then they will give you a name again and they will say slowly to you. When they say slowly to you, you repeat slowly to them few times and then use their tonality and repeat. Now remember, if they have an accent, you accent only the name, otherwise you talk the normal tonality. Otherwise they think that you are making fun of them. So remembering the name and using the name for the developing a rapport is a very, very important thing. Now my friend, I'll tell you a few more interesting things over here. Whenever I go to a restaurant, the waiter or these people come to you with the order, I immediately, if their batch is there, I use the name and talk to them with the name. They feel really good. If they don't have this name tag there, I ask them, what is your name? I repeat the name and every time I order something, I call that person. If he's not there, I said, call this guy again. So when he comes to me, he knows me, my name, and I repeat his name, he gives me the best possible service. I tell you a very interesting thing, my friend. I was traveling from India to London in a Emirates flight via Dubai. I have a card, Emirates card, frequent flyer, but I don't use it much. So when I went there at the counter, I gave this card and I showed this card. I said, does I have some miles, so can you upgrade me to the business class? She looked at me, the girl, and I looked at her name. I smiled and repeated a number of times. And then I said, which is her name, I said, I know you can upgrade me. You have the power to do this. You can do this. She thought for a moment and then she upgraded me not up to London, but she upgraded me in a business class till Dubai. Now, when you use the name of the person, remember the name and repeat the number of times the name, person feel very comfortable with you. They feel connected to you. Why? If somebody asks, think about it in a reverse direction. If somebody asks your name and they repeat your name number of times, talking, you feel good. Because for every person, their name is very, very important. The most important thing is their name for them. So, make that name important for them and you remember the name, that means you are making the person important. That's why you remember the name, right? They feel that I am good and they feel really connected to you. So, using the name is very, very important. So, make it a habit and repeat minimum 3 times. And when repeating the name, look into the eyes and smile. Very, very important. When you look into the eyes and smile and use the name, you will have instant connection and the person will remember you forever. Forever. And then they will also remember your name. They will ask you your name. They will also remember your name. You will have a very powerful instant connection. So, how you get the name? Ask the name. Repeat on the, name tags are there. And then you can talk to them with the name. If you say, for example, I know Bengali very well. If I find somebody Bengali name, so you ask them, are you Bengali? He said, yes. Then I use his name and ask him, Kemon achen, bhalo achen? I talk to them in Bengali, aap kaise hain, achhe hain? They instantly feel connection. As I told you in the previous lessons, when you go to some other places, when you find the same person talking the same language, you felt an instant connection. So name is a very important part, my friend. So use the name, use their tonality, look into their eyes and smile, and with respect, you use their name, they feel so good and they will give you whatever service you want. or if in sales and marketing also, this is also very, very powerful. Once you build a rapport with a customer, and they will like to work with you only because you make them feel important. How? By using their name, and the name is very, very important for everybody. So my friend, if you have not done this kind of thing before, or you might have done it unconsciously, you may not remember it. Now do it consciously, make it a habit, and then if the people are important, write their name in your diary and some description with them. Now what happened? Mostly when we go to the party or meeting, sometime a networking event, they give you a card. Remember how to take the card? We talked about it. Take the card and then take their permission. Can I write down something on the back of the card, like what purpose you met them and how you met them? You can write down behind the card so you remember where you met this person and you remember the name also. So my friend, use this technique today and tomorrow in your office, your workplace, to your client, or even going to a restaurant, or even to a cab driver. Yes, when you know their name, sometime in a cab driver you find that the name is there, their photograph with the name, and you use them. They will feel so. The moment you talk to them with their name, look at their facial expressions, they will feel so good. They will surprise how you know the name. Though they know that the name is there, but they will surprise because nobody might have talked to them with their name. So use it and notice how powerful the hypnotic connection can become, how powerfully you can connect with the people. So do this exercise and come back to the lesson tomorrow. Thank you very much.